We'll guide you through how to fix Discord mic quality and increase the quality. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
If your microphone sounds bad, quiet, or distorted in Discord, these settings can help improve the overall quality. Let's go step by step. First, open Discord and click on the gear icon at the bottom. And once you are in the settings, go to voice and video. You might have to scroll down a little bit, and after you locate voice and video, just click on it to open the options. At the top, you will see input device. Just click on the microphone drop down and make sure this is set to your microphone that you use. And look for volume. Set this around 90% like so. This level usually provides good audio without making your microphone sound distorted. We are going to check the window microphone settings. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for sounds. Just open the sound mixer options from the recommendation, and once you are on the sound settings, scroll down to input and just click on the drop down if it is not visible by default and select your microphone that you are using right now. And scroll down once again and you will see an option labeled as volume. Set the input volume to 100. After that, scroll down and click on more sound settings. If you are using Windows 10, you may see an option on the side called sound control panel instead. Just click on it to open the sound settings and a pop-up window will appear. When the sound control panel opens, go to the recording tab. Here, you will see a list of microphones connected to your computer. Select your microphone, which in my case is going to be VoiceWave like so, and just right click on it and click on Properties. Inside the Properties tab, go to the Advanced option and you will see an option labeled as Default Format. If it is not selected as 2-channel 48,000 Hz by default, just click on the drop down if it is available and make sure to select it, which provides good quality for voice application like Discord. And after you have configured the settings, just click on apply and click on OK to close the window. Now go back to Discord once again and go to voice and video once again. Scroll down and find the option labeled as automatically adjust input sensitivity. Move the slider until your voice activates the microphone clearly without picking too much background noise. You can just play around with it and find your sweet spot. Next, scroll down to noise suppression. Discord provides a few options here. Just click on the drop down and the crisp noise suppression option is usually the best choice. Try to avoid selecting none because disabling noise suppression may cause more background noise to be heard by others. And scroll down and you will see an option labeled as when I speak. Make sure to toggle this on, then adjust the slider to reduce other noise while your microphone is active like so. However, I usually recommend turning off when others speak so your audio experience is not interrupted. If the software settings don't fix your microphone quality, there are also a few hardware fixes that you can try. First, unplug your microphone and wait a few seconds, then plug back in. Try using a USB 3.0 port